In a world where companionship meets cutting-edge intelligence, Rapet stands out as an emotionally aware AI robot pet crafted to be more than a gadget. It's a loyal friend. Engineered with lifelike charm and tactile warmth, Rapet brings a layer of comfort into daily life. Using state-of-the-art visual recognition, it distinguishes familiar faces and mirrors your emotions, creating a sense of presence that feels personal. Whether you're smiling or still, Rapet sees you and responds in kind. Touch-sensitive and equipped with responsive audio and motion sensors, Rapet becomes more intuitive the longer you engage with it. It's not just reacting, it's adapting, learning from the tone of your voice, how you move, and how you interact. The AI evolves with your habits, growing more synchronized with you over time. At just under 12 inches tall and weighing roughly 3 pounds, it's portable yet expressive. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CL-VX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CL-VX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. The integrated touchpad responds only when you intend it to. Touch-on Keys technology automatically toggles between type and touch modes, eliminating false gestures during typing. Its scissors mechanical keys provide a crisp, quiet feel while maintaining gesture readiness with no lag. Firmware version 5.3 introduces full macOS compatibility. Just install the driver to unlock native Apple trackpad gestures and Mac-specific key layout support. Tuck it into a backpack, clip it to your keys, or slip it onto your pet's collar. The Roam Tiny Tracker is designed to endure, protect, and keep you informed. This compact guardian isn't just about keeping tabs, it's about peace of mind. With every roam, you gain access to a cutting-edge, lost-and-found platform that makes recovery fast and effortless. Each tracker is paired with a unique QR code. If someone finds your lost item, they simply scan it and view a custom message you've set. Whether it's contact info, a thank you note, or directions for return. Roam then emails you the exact location using 3 words, which pinpoint spots within a 10-foot square using just 3 unique words. This level of precision takes the guesswork out of recovery. Built tough, the Roam is waterproof IP67 rated, dirt-proof and powered by a long-lasting battery that runs for up to a year and is easily replaceable. On the green, timing and precision matter, so does the equipment you trust to follow. Engineered for the modern golfer, the IXI Cart blends autonomous tech with total convenience. With self-driving capabilities powered by an intelligent camera system and GPS integration, your gear stays right by your side, keeping pace without distraction. No more retracing steps or dragging equipment. IXI thinks and moves with you. Fold the cart effortlessly using the one-step latch, patent pending, and IXI compacts down into its smallest, transport-ready form. When space and efficiency matter most, this compact electric air pump becomes your go-to essential for the outdoors. Whether you're inflating an air mattress under starlit skies or deflating a kayak after a morning paddle, the Max Pump 3 delivers with precision. With a powerful 5 kilopascal pressure and airflow rate of 500 liters per minute, it handles air pillows, swim rings, air beds, and inflatable boats in seconds. Engineered for ultralight travel, it fits easily in the palm of your hand and weighs less than half a pound. Perfect for backpackers and campers counting ounces. Built-in LED camping light adds utility after dark, offering up to 10 hours of illumination. The durable design stands up to rugged use, while the USB-C rechargeable battery makes it easy to keep it powered from any portable charger. Set your audio free with the power to transform everyday surfaces into rich, resonant speakers. GDAL redefines what portable sound means, packing a full-range vibration speaker into one of the smallest footprints available. Rather than relying on traditional cones or drivers, GDAL uses advanced vibration sound transfer technology, channeling sound waves through wood, glass, metal, or plastic to fill your space with immersive 360-degree audio. Engineered for both clarity and punch, its built-in amplifier delivers precise treble and deep bass with impressive volume. This isn't just about size, it's about performance. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a stable, low-latency connection up to 33 feet, while the long-lasting battery powers up to 18 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. The 8-inch WXGA Lenovo PureSight display puts your entire mission in view, combining crisp detail and rich contrast with a wide 16:10 aspect ratio for immersive visibility. From lush RPG worlds to tight FPS arenas, every scene pops with clarity. Built for speed and precision, the Legion True Strike controllers feature adjustable trigger switches and tight responsiveness. Swap between FPS, racing, and strategy with ease thanks to its adaptable design. Tread redefines portable pizza ovens, offering unmatched mobility and performance. This ultra-rugged, lightweight oven is designed to deliver high-temperature cooking anywhere, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, or remote destination. With its adventure-ready insulation, Tread ensures that every pizza comes out perfectly cooked, even in challenging environments. The oven pairs effortlessly with the Venture Stand, allowing you to set up an outdoor kitchen wherever your adventures take you. Additionally, the detachable cutting board maximizes convenience, providing space for a 12-inch pizza or cast-iron pan, while the innovative lateral flame enhances cooking efficiency. The oven's compact build weighs just 29.7 pounds, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Whether you're cooking up a delicious pizza or preparing other high-temperature meals, Tread's combination of performance, durability, and convenience. The Lethlli Frozen Pack offers an innovative solution for keeping food fresh on the go, blending convenience, power, and portability. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike, this 12-volt car refrigerator rapidly cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Its efficient compressor paired with triple-layer insulation ensures that your items stay cold for up to 4 hours without power. Weighing only 24.3 pounds and measuring 18.5 by 11.8 by 16.9 inches, the Frozen Pack is compact and lightweight, ideal for hikes, cycling, or camping trips. The versatile backpack design allows you to wear the fridge on your back or secure it to an RV or e-bike, offering hands-free convenience. Powered by the Lethlli U20 IPS Super Battery, it runs for 6 hours and can also serve as a power bank to charge your phone or laptop. With a 20-liter capacity, the fridge offers impressive storage efficiency, fitting up to 10 cans or 9 bottles of wine. Breeze Care offers an innovative approach to hair care and styling with its multi-purpose portable design. This sleek and practical device provides the flexibility of natural wind drying, which reduces heat damage to your hair while maintaining moisture. Equipped with 4 powerful fans, it ensures rapid drying, making it an ideal tool for those on the go. Its UVC LED function not only enhances the drying process, but also works as a sanitizer, helping to maintain cleaner, healthier hair. The cordless operation delivers up to 12 hours of continuous use, providing ultimate convenience without the hassle of tangled cords. Whether you're at home, traveling, or at the gym, Breeze Care ensures that styling your hair is quick and easy. Moofy offers a unique and innovative way to craft essential oils and infused oils at home, making DIY projects simpler and more accessible. This advanced device lets you effortlessly extract essential oils using flowers, spices, and water. With a single press of a button, you can start your oil-making process and let the device handle the rest. The Smart Machine's core technology utilizes precise temperature control and a built-in circulating coil system that ensures optimal extraction of flavors and essences. Whether you're looking to create custom oils for skincare, handmade soap, or scented candles, the possibilities are endless. Moofy also features an infusion option, perfect for culinary enthusiasts who want to elevate their cooking. Simply add spices to the pot, pour in your base oil, and hit start. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines smartphone videography with its intelligent foldable design, offering seamless stabilization for a variety of content creators. Its built-in tripod and selfie stick features ensure versatility whether filming solo or with a group, allowing for smooth, professional shots. With AI-powered tracking capabilities, the Flow 2 Pro automatically locks onto subjects, following their movements with remarkable precision. Whether you're shooting a solo vlog or capturing multiple people in motion, this gimbal adapts to your needs, providing consistent results. Compatible with both iPhones and Android devices, it supports 360-degree pan tracking, enabling users to capture dynamic, full-range footage without manual adjustments. The Apple Dock Kit feature integrates seamlessly, allowing for effortless device charging while filming. The Waylux Z5 is a versatile and compact handheld laser engraving and cutting machine designed for precise DIY creations. Equipped with a powerful dual light source 5-watt laser, this machine can easily engrave and cut through various materials with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, or metal, the Z5 offers flexibility for personal projects, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its user-friendly design ensures a seamless experience with adjustable engraving depths and cutting speeds. The machine's portability allows for ease of use in any workspace, and its advanced laser technology provides crisp, detailed results on both intricate designs and larger-scale cuts. The Waylux Z5 also features intuitive software that enhances user control, making it easy to customize designs for unique creations. The VaultTec Smart Station redefines security with cutting-edge innovation and a sleek, modern design. Featuring a top-mounted wireless charging pad, it allows you to effortlessly power your devices while keeping your valuables safe. Equipped with USB and USB-C charging ports, the Smart Station ensures your accessories stay charged and within reach. The customizable LED display adds a personal touch, allowing you to adjust the interface for a tailored experience. This state-of-the-art safe merges top-tier protection with convenience, offering unmatched security features designed for peace of mind. VaultTec's signature craftsmanship delivers a robust and durable structure, while intelligent design enhancements improve usability. With advanced technology and modern aesthetics, this smart safe is engineered to meet the needs of today's tech-savvy individuals. Bloom Kitchen revolutionizes the way you can grow your own nutrient-dense spirulina in the comfort of your home. With its innovative countertop appliance, this system offers a simple, sustainable solution to cultivate this powerful superfood. Equipped with a nutrient tablet and a carefully engineered light and heat regulation system, the Bloom appliance ensures optimal conditions for spirulina growth. The process is fully controlled via a user-friendly smartphone app, allowing for real-time monitoring and adjustments. This self-sustaining system minimizes your dependence on store-bought supplements, offering a fresh and organic alternative. Ideal for health-conscious individuals, the Bloom Kitchen appliance brings convenience and eco-friendliness to spirulina cultivation, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The 1X Player G1 stands out as a versatile, high-performance handheld console, designed to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals. Offering an unparalleled balance between power and portability, this device excels in delivering seamless gaming and productivity experiences. Its compact form factor ensures effortless use for long periods, whether you're immersed in intense gaming sessions or tackling work tasks. Equipped with flagship AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 and Intel Core Ultra 7255H processors, the G1 offers exceptional performance for any application. The AMD processor utilizes a Zen 5 plus Zen 5C hybrid core, ensuring enhanced gaming and productivity, while the Intel Core Ultra processors P-cores and E-cores optimize multitasking efficiency. This handheld PC is a powerhouse, handling everything from high-end games to professional work effortlessly. The Liber Live C1 is a cutting-edge smart guitar designed for musicians on the go. This innovative, foldable travel guitar integrates modern technology with an intuitive playing experience. Its stringless design eliminates traditional strings using a pressure-sensitive surface to detect touch and chord formations, making it ideal for travelers and those seeking a compact musical instrument. The Liber Live C1 connects seamlessly to a mobile app that offers interactive chord sheets and a comprehensive chord generator. This allows musicians to explore different chord progressions and compositions effortlessly. The built-in drum machine and bassline features turn the guitar into a complete one-man band, providing a full rhythm section to accompany solos or melodies. The WowStick 1 F Plus is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver precision and convenience. Its miniature size makes it ideal for delicate tasks, offering a streamlined solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The tool features an all-metal one-piece construction, ensuring durability and a solid feel while you work. Whether you're assembling electronics, performing repairs, or working on craft projects, this lightweight device is perfect for handling intricate screws with ease. Equipped with 8 different drill bits, the WowStick 1 F Plus provides versatility for a wide range of applications. Each bit fits securely, allowing for easy and efficient work across multiple materials. Comoo redefines how kombucha is brewed, offering a high-quality, cost-effective solution for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Designed with precision, this brewer brings authentic, tangy kombucha to your kitchen, eliminating the need for expensive store-bought versions. Its sleek design ensures ease of use, while advanced brewing technology delivers consistent, flavorful results every time. The Comoo Brewer features a stainless steel fermentation tank, a key component for maintaining optimal temperatures, allowing for the ideal fermentation environment. With the ability to brew up to 1 gallon at once, you can enjoy a steady supply of kombucha, whether for personal enjoyment or sharing with friends. Quiet elegance meets motion in the form of kinetic sand art. Oasis. Kinetic sand. Tables redefine stillness, not by stopping time, but by moving through it. Using a precision-guided metal ball, these tables etch tranquil paths into soft, fine sand, creating mesmerizing patterns that never repeat. Each swirl and arc formed is part of a quiet performance, unfolding slowly across a sleek tabletop stage. The Oasis Mini is the refined, compact version. Measuring small enough to sit unobtrusively on a desk, shelf, or side table, it invites brief mental escapes. The ball rolls with smooth consistency, carving evolving designs into the sand with near-silent grace. Built for personal moments, it's ideal for easing tension, calming the mind, or just slowing down during a fast-paced day.